How to stick to a routine to lose 10 pounds. How to stick to a routine to lose 10 pounds. You know why you're reading this. You've made the bold and scary decision to lose 10 pounds. You're doing it for better health and more confidence. You can get both from losing excess weight. But losing weight doesn't happen instantly as you'd wish on a magic lamp. While we live in a culture where we expect quick results, like fast food that's ready in 5 minutes, losing 10 pounds doesn't fit this category. If you want to lose weight very fast, then a product link is given in the description. Click on and buy from there. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Before starting a weight loss plan, you need to prepare yourself mentally for the challenge. Remember that losing 10 pounds won't happen overnight. And give yourself time to adjust to the new one, especially if you've tried and failed to lose weight in the past. First, observe your eating habits carefully. For example, do you eat more when dining with the company than when you are alone? Perhaps you and your spouse have a routine where you de-stress by drinking hot cocoa every morning. Or, are you eating those delicious cupcakes you baked for sale at school? Next, decide on specific changes you can make, based on your current eating habits. Maybe you can forget about baking for school sales and find non-food ways to participate in fundraising. And you can drink green tea every morning instead of hot cocoa. Also, if being a dinner guest puts pressure on you to overeat, you can politely skip before dessert or try small amounts of each course to avoid offending the host. Once you have ideas for new eating habits, plan meals for the day. Stick to your routine as much as possible of eating out at restaurants and at friends' houses. Do your best to stay within limits and soon, you will thrive in controlled eating habits. You should also look to your exercise routine to help you lose 10 pounds. Maybe you used to be extremely active, but now spend most of your time sitting, whether at home or at work. Decide on exercise goals, starting with the amount of time you can dedicate. I would exercise 1 hour a day, feels great, if you don't have too many other commitments. However, if you're busy, you may need to sync up with a realistic goal. I would exercise 30 minutes a day, maybe even better. You can also change the length of time you exercise to lose 10 pounds. For example, you have more time during the weekend. Your goal might be to exercise 30 minutes on weekdays and 1 hour on weekends. When you exercise also matters. Maybe you're an early riser and have free time to pick up the kids before you go to school and go to work. Then you can try adding exercise to your morning routine. On the other hand, you can barely get out of bed and arrive almost late for work. You still have free time after work, so you'll try an evening exercise routine. Next, we come to how you would exercise. Since most of us are intimidated by the term, you have to set your mind to view exercise as a form of play or fun, and not as a burden. And finding activities
Take some of them coming.
Exercise fun. Whether you want to try one or join a cycling club, search and find exercises you love. After knowing which exercises you'll use, get a daily planner and write down specific exercises, when you'll start and how long you'll exercise. For example, at 9 a.m. on May 30th, you ride a bicycle, for 30 minutes. As you can see, an elaborate exercise routine keeps you from saying, I don't have time to exercise. You've probably made an observation that along with your exercise and eating habits, following a routine makes it easier to lose 10 pounds. But, the routine can only help you when you commit yourself. So use determination to succeed and then you will actually be successful in losing 10 pounds. To get more weight loss solution videos, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you see like to next. Let's catch you in the next video. Do not forget to hit subscribe button for more videos on weight loss.